Hey, what is up vlog? It's ain't focusing, but I think we might be able to deal with this. Another day, another daily vlog. Just getting out of the list. God, it's really cold. It's probably freezing.
Yeah, but
Oh, okay. I'm really freezing. I didn't know it was gonna be this cold. Like yesterday, it was kind of warm. Like yesterday, it kind of hit like 15 degrees. I want to see what Siri says. Let's see.
oh my god.
So obviously, when I get settled down, I'll have the episode of the AKAJK show coming back in the podcast and all that kind of jazz. And obviously, the occasional episodes of the vlog on a double episode day. You can check out my blog post where I discuss all of this. I'll leave it in the description down below. Yeah, apart from that, yesterday I got my phone phone sorted out. So now I've got my cellular data and my entire network package and calls and everything, my SIM card. That's great. It's B-roll time. Yeah, I gotta edit this. Just gonna get the rubbish thrown into the bin. I didn't realize it was gonna be this cold. Oh yeah, I should have listened to my mom and worn a jacket or something. That is ridiculous. Vlogging while taking the rubbish out. Also, it's difficult because load and loads of things in big rubbish bags and stuff like that. It's freezing. Well, it's not like freezing, it's just freezing, like on freezing level number 1. I think this is the room I need to be into. Yeah, I haven't vlogged that much today. It was raining the entire day. Yeah, we got that. That's sorted. Hopefully today, so we should be heading out to the mall maybe in an hour's time. I'm looking maybe to get some new kicks. I was thinking about the Nike, I don't know how you pronounce them, Kyries. Everyone's gonna hate on me for this. I'm not like some sort of basketball player fan. Like, I enjoy playing basketball, but it's not like something I'm crazy about, so I'm not going to know the players' names. I'm just pronouncing them as the Nike Kyries 4. Aside from that, not much going on. I had a video completely edited yesterday. I've been listening to mostly podcasts today and just chilling, looking for some clothing that I want to get when I go out. And now the lift has arrived. All the way through. I'll catch up with you a little bit later on. Hopefully you enjoyed this throwing the rubbish segment of the vlog. If you did, I'll be sure to make more of these.
To